for sports tourism.
Now, the Africa Cup of Nations 2025 kicks off in 3 days' time in Morocco, and Group B gathers Egypt, South Africa, Angola and Zimbabwe, a balanced mix of record champions, tactically disciplined contenders and fearless spoilers. Let's take a look at what to expect in that group.
From Group A to B, and a side whose unity will make them a tough proposition in this competition, South Africa. The rest of the continent may not realize it yet, but something special is taking shape in South African football. A wave of fresh, innovative young coaches and gifted players has swept through the local game, turning Mzansi into a new reference point for scouting, tactical innovation and technical trends within Africa. This is a nation that knows how it feels to conquer the continent. But since the glory of 1996, there has been plenty of pain and frustration. For nearly 2 decades, Bafana Bafana was synonymous with underachievement, until everything changed at the 2023 Africa Cup of Nations. After progressing through their group and then eliminating the much-fancied Morocco, what followed was 2 nerve-shredding knockout clashes that took the nation to the extreme ends of the emotional spectrum. A goalless draw with Cape Verde in the quarterfinals preceded a chaotic penalty shootout, which included a string of misses, but ended in ecstasy. A 1-1 draw with Nigeria in the semis meant they were a whisker away from a first final since 1998, only this time to suffer the agony of losing on spot kicks. But regardless of the outcome, a return to such high-pressure situations was a welcome reminder of South Africa's re-emergence. At home, they called a flowing, cohesive football born from this renewed unity, Shushan and Piano, a relaxed and polished style of play that is simply beautiful to watch. Of the 24 teams at the tournament, South Africa arguably played the most attractive football of them all, with a touch of Kasi flavour. And underpinning it all is the cohesion that naturally occurs when you have a squad overwhelmingly playing their club football at home. The majority of players called up to Hugo Broos's latest squad ply their trade in the South African League. Look a little deeper and you can see that the majority of those are provided by 2 of the country's most successful sides, Orlando Pirates and Mamelodi Sundowns. With those 2 factions perfectly united, Bafana Bafana will fear no one.